Hello everyone, lost an app on your iPhone? Maybe it's hidden, but don't worry. I'll show you how to find and unhide apps in just a few seconds. First, swipe all the way to the right until you reach the app library. Now tap on the app's name in the search bar. It should pop up. Found it, just press and hold the app and drag it back to your home screen. Still missing? It might be restricted. Go to Settings, Screen Time, contact your privacy restrictions, tap Allowed Apps and make sure the app is enabled. Or maybe you hid the app from your purchase history. To check, open the App Store, tap your profile, then Hidden Purchases. Find the app and then tap Download to restore it. And that's it. Now you know how to unhide apps like a pro. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next one and thank you for watching. Please keep coming back for such kind of videos.